Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. Let's have an honest conversation about Cedric Kaze and Khalil Ben Yusuf. Have they done enough to secure the job? Look, I think we had a successful season. If you ask me, we finished ninth last season, and this season we finished third with 2 games to spare. It's an incredible um, achievement, improvement. Last season we only managed to win 8 games. That's terrible. It makes me sick. Yeah, we managed to win 15 this season. We still have 1 game to play, of course. So I think whether you like it or not, whether you like the coaches or not, I was against the idea of appointing them as the interim co-head coaches. I was uh, I was fuming, yeah, when Kaiser Chiefs made that decision. I was fuming, and I said this was going to be a terrible season. Um, I guess I was wrong. Yeah, so I have to apologize to the coaches. Cedric Kaze once said there will be some apologies at the end of the season. Look, I put my hand up. I was wrong. I think they have done an incredible job. There have been games whereby I was very, very frustrated with some of their decisions, starting 11, game plan and all that. But with all the numbers I've just mentioned, it's very difficult to turn a blind eye. We hit 50 points for the first time since 2020-21 under Ines Middendorp. Um, we won 5 games in a row at some point. It was for the first time since I think 2022. So in the league, I think we've done incredibly well. Third best defense. So I think these men have turned this team into a decent team. But the big question is, do we trust them to continue with their job next season? Do we trust them to take the team, to take the brand, the big brand, the biggest brand in SA football back to the top? Look, I said at the end of the season I want them gone. Yeah. I don't want them at the club. But now I think I'd keep them, but not as the co-head coaches. I'll appoint someone with experience, someone a proven winner, someone who's going to come there and keep them as the assistant coaches. That's what I'd do. In a case of maybe you are appointing a Pitso Musimane, who we all know wants to bring his own technical staff. He wouldn't want to work with them. Unfortunately, I'd have to sacrifice them to get Pitso Musimane. I'd rather I'd rather let go of both of them if Pitso Musimane is not interested in working with them. So it's yeah, it's a tough one. But if you ask me, um, what will happen if we are being realistic? I think they are going to continue as the co-head coaches next season. I've seen this before. I know how Kaiser Chiefs works, man. Khalid Ben Yusuf and Cedric Kaze will still be the co-head coaches next season, which may come to bite us in the ass, and um, it might work. Who knows? But if you want my opinion, I don't think these guys are good enough, to take us back to the top. They've done an incredible job to, bring the winning mentality in the team. Great job. You can't take that away from them. But to take us back to the top, we finished third this season. So next season we expect to win a trophy. We expect to at least finish third again, which is going to be a very difficult task. So anything below that will be considered failure. And I don't want a situation whereby 10 games in we now have to sack a coach. We now have to go and look for a coach. So for me, let's appoint someone there, experienced, proven winner, who's going to be the face, who's going to be held accountable, Because this thing of co-head coaches, man, I'm not a fan of it. I'm definitely not a fan. But it seems like it will happen next season. Kaizer Chiefs are yet to be, for as far as we know, from reports and all that, Kaizer Chiefs are not in contact with any coach. So it seems like it's going to be Khalil Ben Yusuf and Cedric Kazi next season. I just hope it doesn't come to bite us in the ass. But let's see what happens. After the last game, I think that's where we receive some communication as to what's going to happen next season. But I can tell you, I can guarantee you, Khalil Ben Yusuf and Cedric Kazi will remain as the co-head coaches. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Smash a like. Thanks for watching. I'm out.